So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can track any flight in real time just like you track the trains. You can directly track the real time flight status of any flight. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and you can do it on your smartphones as well. And in the search panel you need to write flight 24. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you, which is flightradar24.com. Just simply open this website and wait for it to respond. Now here you're gonna see you can check the live status of the flights all over the world. Let it load. Let's wait before it analyzes all the flight data. Here you're gonna see all the flights that are currently roaming around the world will appear right in front of you, even the hot air balloons as well. Yes, you can even just simply select the flight of which you want to track the data. For example, if I select this one, this flight is going from Albuquerque to Denver, and you can check the multiple flights as well. And here you can see all the details of the flight, or even if you have a number of that particular flight, you can search that particular flights as well, or even the airports. So by this method, you can easily check the live status of the flights that are currently roaming around the world. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.